Vanderbilt and Siemens keypad. The process of changing and opening the cover is same. So first what you need to do is just below the keypad you will see the code for the key. So here is 03, and then what you need is the key number 03. So this is the key 03. Then insert the key here and just rotate anti-clockwise. And it's open. The code for this door is 0000. Open. And another code for this keypad is 0100. So we can set two code for this keypad. So when you see at the back, you could see this yellow thing. So this 4 and this 4. So that means this is for one key code, and this one is for another key code. So you could see A B C D, and 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That's the number. So this one is set on 0000, which is one key code, and this one is 0100, which is second key code. So if you change this thing to 1, then the code will be 10000. If you change this thing, the C, this one is A, B, and C on 5, then the code will be 1050. Same thing on second key code. If you put this thing A on 9th position and D on this position, then the code will be 9105. So this is how we change the key code for this keypad.